Hey guys, so we're going to go, right now we're going to go cut a huge piece of, it's very thick coil spring, but it's not a big, like, long piece. And I'm going to make a knife. I just got done making, I'll get it, 1 second. Just got done making this. Not super proud of it, but definitely not the best I've made. But yeah, so we're gonna go cut a knife and let's go. Here you go. So we just cut that off. Now I have to straighten this out and make it into a knife. Hey guys, so that is part 1 of, I don't know how long this series is gonna go of the knife from a coil spring, but this is the leaf that I made. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.